What's up, Tambay Ko? Nandito tayo sa Midnight Hour and we're with John Velasco
Yeah, hello. Hi.
of
See it through.
See It Through
Yes, from Arizona.
from Arizona.
Tucson,
Tucson.
specifically. Oh.
Gaano katagal yun, no? Yung tour nyo?
It's just like a week.
Second
Yeah,
week?
yeah, it's just like a week. Like four or five shows.
Yeah. How is it so far?
It's good. This is our first show ng run,
Oh,
and
okay.
so far
Tapos
it's good. Good
susunod?
food, like good people.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Good.
Yeah,
Nag-meet tayo like few years ago nung
Yeah.
tumugtog yung Typecast ba yan?
Typecast,
Yung
yes.
Typecast.
yeah.
Tapos actually, wala na ako sa Pilipinas pero you were in a band sa
Yeah.
atin.
Yeah,
Saan ka sa atin?
sa Batangas.
Sa Batangas.
Yeah.
Yung banda mo sa Batangas.
Forgiveness denied.
Forgiveness Denied.
Yeah.
So, mga era ng ano yan? Era ang mga year.
2000, mga metalcore,
Ah.
early 2000.
Sino mga nakasabay ng Forgiveness Denied?
So Feud,
Aha.
Feud sa Laguna, yung bago pa lang Typecast before, Pile Driver nakakasabay din namin, mga Laguna bands. Tapos sa Manila, Mind Rape pa nun yung mga Beauty of Doubt, pero Mind Rape pa sila.
Yeah, sila
Yung
Ron.
mga Lucena bands,
Nice.
dami sa Lucena.
Very
Yeah.
cool, man. Tapos anong year ka lumipat dito?
2007.
2007.
Yeah.
Isang taon ka, meron ka pang banda dati.
Meron, yeah.
Point Break? Ano yan?
Yeah, Point Break. Yeah.
Point Break.
Yeah.
Tapos, pagkatapos ng Point Break, See Through.
So, yeah. May Reason to Suffer pa.
Oh, yeah. Reason to Suffer.
And
Okay.
then, See It Through.
So, the whole time, bass player ka on
Yeah.
all those bands?
Yes. Yeah.
So, lahat yung straight edge bands?
No, not really.
Not really.
May straight edge na isa. Civilian Mind.
I
Yeah.
see.
Yeah,
I
nag-gitara ako dun. Pero, hindi naman masyado nakapag-tugtog ng live kasi busy yung guitar player.
Yeah.
So,
So, this one, See Through, gano'ng katagal yung See Through?
1 year mahigit na.
Pero nakadalawang album na.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Kanina, nakikita ko sa
under New Age Records.
kanina nga,
Yeah.
ni-review ko yung mga kanta niyo
Yeah.
bago pumunta dito para makapagsigalo ako.
Yeah.
That was fun. That was fun
Yeah,
seeing
thank you
your
sa
things.
pagpunta.
Yeah, I know. Like, tayo lang naman yung magsusuportahan.
Yeah,
This,
Filipino represent, which
yeah,
is good.
yun yung ginagawa namin sa Tambay Court. Yung Filipino representation sa punk and hardcore.
That's good, yeah.
Sa underground scene.
Yeah,
And
we need that.
we're glad like we're here and we're able to talk to you.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat.
Thanks for pagpunta.
Yeah, and Midnight Hour. Fucking awesome. Dude,
Yeah.
John,
Thank you.
maraming salamat, man.
Salamat ulit.
Salamat. Alright,
you.
Tambay Court.
Bye.
Sa ulitin. Bye-bye.